Well, first time fishing Bron fisheries in North Wales. It's a 6.5 acre lake. A little bit windy, but we'll see. Beautiful day. Very windy, but I'm gonna give it a go. Just check this island. Still trying to find a swim. There's only me on the venue. But we'll see. Let's have a look. I need some shelter from the wind. Little boathouse. Swallows and swifts flying around. There's two aerators there. I wonder if in between there would be a good spot. There's an aerator there. And there's another one. Alright, ready for the day. My home for the day. I've got my trolley loader there. Spare rod, 13-foot floater. And here, I'm ready. Unhooking. So what we got? We got method feeder and pellet waggler. I'm going to start on the method feeder and I'll be bunging a few pellets to the left. But yo, look at this venue. All to myself, not one person on the venue. Deep in North Wales. I can't pronounce it properly, so I'll just say Bron fisheries. It's Bron Eifion or something, but I can't pronounce it. I'm about to make my first cast. Happy days.